Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Happy Life with Deepa. First of all, a big thank you for all of you. Because of your support, I have just crossed my 100 plus subscribers. Who will not love this Hyderabadi chicken? It's so yummy. Let's start with the process. Step 1, we have to marinate the chicken. Check out the ingredients here, and I will also link these ingredients in the description box below. I have taken the boneless chicken which is available for me, but you can take the leg pieces as well or the bones. Next I am going to take the mint leaves which are chopped, coriander leaves, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, chicken masala, turmeric, salt and yogurt. Okay, let's begin the process. In a bowl I am taking the chicken pieces, ginger garlic paste, curd, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, salt and chicken masala powder, mint leaves, coriander leaves. Mix it very well. You can adjust your spices as per your taste. Mix them very well, and you can keep this marination in your refrigerator or you can keep it outside also. I keep it in fridge. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, washed it and soaked it for 30 minutes. Now let's start cooking the basmati rice. In a big vessel I have taken water. In that I am going to add a bit of salt. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of salt for this. Shajira, if you don't have, you can even add cumin seeds. Ilachi, cardamom, oil and few drops of lemon juice. This will make your rice non-sticky, like it will be like long grain. Let the water boil. Now we are going to add the rice. The rice should be half cooked, at only 50% should be cooked. Don't overboil the rice. This is the main tip here. Otherwise your biryani will be sticky. So I am going to drain this rice. I don't want to cook this rice further, so I have drained it and completely cooled it down. So you can see the rice very long and it's not sticking, so it's just only 50% cooked. Now everything is ready. Our marinated chicken, cashew nuts, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, shajira, cloves and bay leaves. I am going to add little ginger garlic because I have already put in marination. Few mint leaves and most important ghee. I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee here. You can use even oil, but the taste will differ. I used to prefer ghee especially. I am adding shajira, cloves, cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon. Mix it well. I have taken 1 medium sized onion, cut into long thin slices, adding it. For 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add cashew nuts, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook until the raw smell has gone. Now I'm going to add 2 green chilies. This is completely optional. If you want, you can add it, otherwise you can skip because we have already added chili powder. I'm going to add few mint leaves. And then marinated chicken. We have to cook this chicken for 60% at least, so that all the marination, all the spices will go into that chicken. You will not feel the chicken was raw, so we will keep the lid closed and cook it for 10 minutes. Just stir it occasionally. This biryani it has a lot of spices. You can see we have used a lot of ingredients in this, so your chicken piece will also taste so good and yummy. You can see the oil is coming out of the chicken, so that means your chicken is halfway done. Let's cook for some time, another 5 to 10 minutes again, and then we will add them. So now the chicken is 60% cooked. You can just adjust the taste. If you want, you can add salt or other spices as well. You can even add little garam masala powder if you want, but I didn't add anything. One tip here, if you think the gravy is not enough for you, you can even add curd. I have kept already fried onions ready. You can even buy it from the store ready made. I'm just layering with this fried onions here. And then with coriander leaves, some mint leaves, a layer of cooked basmati rice here, and repeat the process. The most important thing, you don't skip the fried onions here because this gives very fantastic taste to your biryani. So now I have added the rice layer. Again I am going to add all the ingredients like coriander, mint leaves, onions. Even you can add saffron milk if you have. Because I don't have, I didn't add that. You can very well use that, which gives you nice yellow color. Again I am just covering up with the rice layer. On the top you can just add your lemon juice, few drops of that lemon juice, and the onions, fried onions. We are almost done. Just relax for another 30 minutes and you will enjoy a delicious Hyderabadi dum biryani. You will never expect this taste. Close the lid and keep it on medium flame for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. You can see the rice layer on the top, and the chicken pieces are so tasty. You don't mix them together now. You can just plate them like that. You can just mix them while you are eating. Oh my god, it's so delicious. My video, if you like this recipe, try this and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in next video.